I had a point-and-shoot Canon, I think it was an I can't remember the number now, but that was my first camera. I think really the only advantage in my mind with a cell phone or point-and-shoot camera is the size. I mean, it is nice being able to just slip it into your shirt pocket or something like that. I'll know a lot of times there's a lot of digital delay when you're trying to catch something that's sort of a spur of the moment. There's always that 1 to 2 second delay between when you press the button and when the shutter actually clicks. Camera phones, it's essentially an automatic camera. You have no control over anything. Whereas with a DSLR, I mean, you can control the ISO, you can control aperture, priority, the shutter speed. That's sort of when I realized that I could be doing a lot better in terms of image quality and creativity. The first time I turned it on, the camera it provides descriptions of a lot of the features. They just sort of flash up on the screen briefly. It gives you enough time to read maybe a sentence or two describing, this is aperture priority. Use this to control, the aperture. The T4i has a dual autofocus system, which in terms of low light conditions, having two systems, almost a redundancy in a lot of ways, enables the camera to get a good autofocus even in low light, which is something most DSLRs will struggle with. The autofocus is much, much faster compared to a point and shoot. And again, when you're trying to do photography of something that might be moving quickly, or you may only get a couple chances to get the good shot that you want, those seconds do mean a lot. Auto mode is really terrific in instances where you don't have enough time to get your camera set up to get a shot, but once you have a sense of what you can change about the images your camera takes, compared to what it does automatically, I think that's kind of where creativity is born. Anyone can take a camera and take pictures, but if you take the time to learn what your camera is actually capable of doing, I think the possibilities really are limitless.